friends, today my topic is QA or Test Manager Interview Questions and Answer Part 4. Friends, I am creating a series of Test Manager Interview Question and Answer. This is the fourth part of the series. If you really want to watch the series, I will provide the link of that particular series in the description section of this video from where you can watch. Friends, in this video, I am going to explain these 5 interview questions with their answer, and the questions are: what are different test matrices that can be used in projects? Second, what are the different testing documents used by your company to manage testing activities? Question third, who define and create the test strategy in your team? Question 4, why you want to leave your current job? The last question would be, do you have any question to ask? So friends, let's start one by one. The first question is, what are different test matrices that can be used in projects? Friends, by asking this question, employer wants to see that how much familiar you are with test matrices, what you measure in different matrices. Friends, we use basically 3 different test matrices in our project. First one is the process matrices. Process matrices basically define project's characteristics and execution. It measures the capability of the testing or development process, such as percentage of defect detected by testing team. Second matrices is product matrices. Product matrices basically defines the product size, design, performance, quality and complexity. It also measures the defect density. And the third matrices is project matrices. Friends, project matrices is used to assess a project's overall quality. Means it measures progress toward exit criteria such as percentage of test cases executed, passed and failed. This matrices is used to estimate a project's resources and deliverables as well as to determine cost, productivity and flows. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is, what are the different testing documents used by your company to manage testing activity? Friends, this is very important question. So by asking this question, employer wants to know that how much familiar you are with testing document, you have real or the fake experience. These are the following test management documents used by my company to manage testing activity. First one is the test strategy. Test strategy document basically explain the overall testing approach for the project. This document describes the general testing methods used by the organization. Friends, a test strategy is created by the test manager. This document describes the following in detail. Means this particular doc have all these elements. First one is the test level and test phases. Second, test design techniques to be used. Third, test specification techniques. Fourth, test environment. Fifth, test automation. Sixth, test tools. Seventh, approach to retesting and regression testing. Eighth, test measurement and matrices. 9, test control and reporting. And the last one is the defect management. The second doc that we have to use is the test policy. Friends, this document basically describes the organization goals and objective of the testing that the organization want to achieve. This document is prepared by the senior test manager in collaboration with senior managers from the testing stakeholder group. Friends, test policy is a short document. This document describes the following topics in detail. First, defines the objective of testing. Second, describe the advantages of testing, business value delivered to the organization. Third, describe the methods to measure test efficiency and effectiveness in fulfilling test objectives. Fourth, describe the test process followed by a company. Fifth, describes ways for the organization to enhance its testing process. And sixth one is the describe testing activities necessary for maintenance of the current project and also development of new projects. So friends, these are the items that must be the part of the test policy doc. Third one is the master test plan. This document describes that how the testing is being planned and how it will be managed across different activities. So the master test plan includes the following details. First, list of tests to be performed. testing level to be covered, relationship among different test levels and related code activity, test implementation strategy, explain testing efforts which is a component of the project, and master test plan should align with test policy and test strategy. Friends, a master test plan for testing must include these things also. First, list of the things to be testing. Second, list of the item that will not be tested. So both things it must be covered. List of things that to be tested and the item that will not be tested. Third, list of the quality characteristics that will be tested. Fourth, list of the product quality characteristics that will not be tested. Fifth, test execution cycle. Sixth, test budget according to the project or overall operational budget. Seventh, testing schedules. 8. Correlation between testing cycle and release plan. Ninth, interrelation between other department and testing team. 10th, scope of each test item. 9. Predefined entry, continuation and exit condition for each test level. 12th, risk association with test projects. 13. Management and control of testing. 14th, team member responsible for each test level. And the 15th, input and output for each test level. So these are the items that must be covered under the master test plan. Now the last one is the level test plan. Friends, this document describes the particular activities to be carried out within each test level. So these are the fourth kind of documents that we must have to used by company to manage the testing activities. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is, who define or create the test strategy in your team? Friends, it's very simple question. Always remember that test strategy is created by the test lead or the test manager. Next question, why you want to leave your current job? This is very important question. Friend, by asking this question, employer want to see your attitude toward your job. Before giving the answer to this question, please keep the following point in your mind. First, never say any negative point about your current company. Second, never say any negative point about your manager and management. You must say the following. These are the some points that you can say that. First, I have very positive feedback about your company from few of my friends who used to work in your company. Second, your company is mentioned as one of the best places to work. Third, good work-life balance policy is in your company. Fourth, I have very positive feedback about your company that your place has a great culture, so I am interested. Fifth, I am interested in new challenges and opportunities to use my skills. Sixth, this position is exactly matched with my skill set and experience and I am not able to utilize them in my current company. And last point is, my current company is relocating in different city. I have no issue with the relocation, but currently due to some personal reason I cannot relocate. So you can explain any points from them. Last question is, do you have any question to ask? Friends, this is the last chance to make the impact on the interviewer. So friends, by asking this question, employer want to see your interest in their company. As I said that this is the last chance to make the impact. Before giving the answer to this question, please keep the following points in your mind. First, never say no. Don't miss this opportunity. Second, always be ready to ask the question. You have to do your homework about the organization. For example, you can ask the following question. First, what technology are you using in current project? Second, what automation strategy are you using now? Third, what is the current size of testing team? Fourth, what is application release cycle? And the last one is the, please let me know if there anything that I need to improve as per the given interview. So friends, these are the 5 questions I have explained with the answers. So friends, if you like my video, please like it, comment it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any question, then you can write me in the comment section of this video. I will try to reply as early as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.